One of Abstra's major benefits is that all coding can still be done in your favorite IDE. This means keeping your tried and tested environment, workflows, and shortcuts. This is how it works. A dash is made up of two parts, the user interface and a Python code. The UI is created with our drag-and-drop builder inside the editor. The Python file, where you code the app's logic, is available to edit in the Settings tab. When clicking Open an Editor, it will open up your system's IDE of choice. Here, we're opening the script with VS Code, our preferred editor. We will have all of its environment resources available to code our Python logic. When we hit Save and restart the dash, the changes are already available back in the UI editor. Enjoy the easiness of drag-and-drop UI with all the benefits and familiarity of the IDE you already use. Pip install Abstra to start building and check our next videos for more tips. See you soon!